been eyeing those super cute Labubu figures on the PomLabubu.shop. They've got some wild deals and rare designs. But is the site actually legit or just another scammy dropshipping mess? Quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on public information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. So, PomLabubu.shop claims to sell exclusive and collectible Labubu toys. The site looks clean, prices are tempting, and if you're a fan, it's hard not to get excited. But some red flags pop up fast. According to malware tips, the site's been flagged for suspicious activity like fake customer reviews, unclear return policies, and missing company info. And over on Reddit, people are calling it out as a scam. Some say they ordered and got nothing, while others received completely unrelated products or had no way to contact support. So, is PomLabubu.shop legit? Honestly, it's not looking good. If you're a serious collector or just want to avoid the hassle, it's probably best to stick with trusted sellers or official shops. The risk just isn't worth it. So, have you ever bought from PomLabubu.shop? Good or bad experience? Let us know in the comments and hit like and subscribe for more honest takes on viral stores and sketchy online shops.